Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to change your stream title. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I would really appreciate it. And the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is make sure that in your stream section, you're connected to whatever it is that you want to be connected to. And then on that website, you can change your stream title to whatever it is that you want. Or in your OBS, you can press Manage Broadcast, and you can actually select the title, the description, the privacy, the category, the thumbnail, and everything from here. But it's almost better to just deal with it in the YouTube or within your Twitch and then to select existing broadcast and choose it here. But if you don't want to do that, then you can also do it like this, and you can open YouTube Studio if you're logged in, so on and so forth. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.